Thank you very much. I'm not canceling the matter.
Please come closer. Thank you. Come closer. Just a quick one before you can go back inside. Just like it to react to the judgment just delivered.
Yes. Say that again. Well, the judgment is expected because once something is put on nothing, you don't expect it to stand. But in any case, His Excellency the Governor Engineer Abdulai Sule is a man of the people, and he appreciates the manner in which the opposition fought. And he has always been given a level playing ground for everyone. So going through the rule of law, I think is one of the things that His Excellency abhor and he appreciates so well. But this victory is one that comes with lots of excitement, and it comes with lots of relief, so that His Excellency will continue to deliver the dividends of democracy to the people of Nasarawa State. Everybody knows him as an epitome of humility. Everybody knows him as an epitome of peace and peaceful coexistence. And I think for the past 5 years, he has been sustaining the peace in Nasarawa State, and he's going to use this judgment to consolidate on what he's been doing. These are our response. But I'm sure in due course, His Excellency will make a statement to that effect. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So you see my men of the pen profession now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so, sir, let's see your reaction to this judgment.
Now, just delivered.
Thank God for the judgments just delivered. They were well considered. Out of all the judgments that were delivered, I think today we say it was 4-0. The 3 main appeals and the only cross appeal, all of them went in favor of our clients. This is Engineer Abuja Sule, the Executive Governor of Nasarawa State. So we are happy. We are happy.
Thank you. Please, would like to speak. Your name, sir?
I'm Dr. Mubarak Adekilekun.
Your Excellency.
They run away. Yes. They run away.
Now, we want to congratulate you first of all, but then
Thank you.
There's this sense of division in Nasarawa cities. Now, people who are right now still licking their wounds, if you ask me. How will you bring all Nasarawans together to ensure unity?
Well, Nasarawa State has been known to be a very peaceful state. And in the whole state, you find that we've always lived as brothers and sisters. We've gone into a game. And in a game, there'll be a winner and there'll be a loser. And of course, you don't expect the losers to celebrate. And they will understand the way they feel. And they must understand that we must first of all have a state before we can have a government, have governance. And I would like to call on my brothers and sisters who today have listened to the voice of wisdom. The justices have done justice to this case. And you can see that going by the judgments and the pronouncements, it was a thoroughly delivered judgment. I should take it that this is one of those things that happen. We must all come together and throw away all differences that these elections have cost us, so we can come together as a people to unite as one and develop our state. Our state needs all of us because we all belong there. And unless we come together and work together, we can have a state of our dream. Mr. Abuja Sule has been declared the winner at the election. The tribunal, the lower tribunal looked at it and thought otherwise. But now the higher tribunal has looked at it and said, no, indeed, Engineer Abuja Sule was the choice of the people. And the voice of the people is the voice of God. Anything against that is like fighting God. Please, let's come together and let us unite and develop our state. We need it.
Congratulations, sir.
that's 500. What they came when the journalists in Nasarawa be not able. See that man. See that man with black car, the other man. See the way they don't just go. Is it in at the governor's? See the way they don't go all the time. But they came with their own press. They came with their own press. So they are not going to. And it's from this man, up by this man. You know the go through. So. What we doing here? Sharp. Wait, now don't block us for years. Are we all ready? Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, gentlemen. My name is John Matthew. I'm one of the counsel representing Honorable Dr. David Ombugadu and the People's Democratic Party in the 4 different appeals that were determined this afternoon.
Your reaction to the judgment?
Okay. Let's break down the aspect of jurisdiction and fielding inadmissible evidence in this judgment. Tell us, break it down for us. Let's understand that.
Well, first and foremost, the issue of inadmissible evidence is rather strange. I think it demonstrates a complete misconception of the case of the petitioners at the lower tribunal and the first and second respondents, of course, in this court. The case of the first and second respondent before the lower tribunal did not have anything to do with polling unit results. Did not have anything to do with the contest of election at the polling units. It was basically to do with computation of the results after it was duly concluded at the polling units. So it is strange for anybody to expect that you should bring polling unit agents to give evidence and demonstrate documents. Neither of the parties contested the outcome of the elections at the polling units. What was contested was the computation, and this computation are done at the ward levels. And the various ward agents came before the tribunal and gave competent testimony about what took place with respect to the computation. Strangely, INEC, which did the computation, did not bring a witness to dispute the mathematical calculation, which the tribunal also did, utilizing the evidence that was tendered before it. So it is rather strange for this court to come to that determination. I think it was rather a very strange misconception of the case. And happily, this is not the final court in this matter. We already have instructions to test the decisions that have been rendered this afternoon, and we are already swung into action.
So your name is?
Thank you.
John Matthew.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All of you want one case. For going to let the